Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about Bobbi Boss new locks. And I got them from Divatress. So this is what they look like. If you could see, they're so pretty. I cannot wait to put these in my head. So I got the colors 1B and I also got the color 1B/30, and this is what this color looks like. But you'll get a better view once I take it out of the pack. So I'm just taking these out of the pack. They're so soft. They're so soft, it's not even funny. So, see if we could get a close-up on this. The ends are so pretty. And then this looks like a real dread, so that's really good. And I just want to apologize to y'all because the lighting may change throughout the video. Right now I'm recording with natural light, but as it gets darker, then you know I'm gonna have to cut on my other light, and I don't want y'all to be like, well, what just happened? It's the lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and keep my same braid pattern that I had with the Bay Locs. The only difference is I had 4 individual separate braids, and then I just pinned them up. I just pinned each one up. But with this, I just took the braids and just braided it into one and then put this side up. So that's the only difference. Okay, so the one thing about these is that it comes with a loop, but it's really small, so you gotta like kind of get in there to get a good opening. So there we go.
So I wanted y'all to see how long it was. It's almost touching my butt. They're really long. They're 20 inches long, and I'm halfway done. I just want you guys to see what it looked like so far. And this method is similar to what I did with the Bay Locs, but because the ends are curly and it would have been harder for me to get that through the loop, especially because the loop isn't that big, I put the crochet needle in. I put the loop part onto the latch and then I pulled it through, but I kept the needle in and I attached the curly part of the hair to the latch and then pulled it through.
Okay everyone, so this is the final result. I absolutely love it. I think I may just put in just a few more. I mean, it's really not necessary, but it's just personal preference. But I absolutely love this hair so much. I just got it tied like this in the back. I don't know how it looks. I hope it's not sticking up. It's so lightweight. I don't even feel this on my head at all. It's so lightweight. The curls are absolutely gorgeous, and I like that I could just pull it back and it's out of my face, but it still looks good. I didn't put that much edge control on because I wanted it to look kind of natural, and you see my little naps right here, but it's all good. I used 6 packs of hair. I used 4 packs of the black, the 1B, and then I used 2 packs of the 1B/30. And I think that it just looks so good together. It's not overbearing. It's just not like, but it's so nice because it actually blends in together really good. And each pack comes with 19 strands, so that is really good. I think that's a good amount. You could also dip this in hot water if you want to. I don't see a need for it, so I'm just gonna keep mine like this. So I really don't even have anything negative to say about this hair because I love it so much, and I'm going to keep this hair because I'm gonna keep doing this protective style for the rest of the year, especially when it's starting to get cold. Honey, this may be my Christmas look because I ain't gotta mess with my hair. It looks natural. I just love it. But the only negative thing that I have to say about this is that I wish they would have made the crochet loop a little bit bigger. So earlier in the video when I mentioned that, like, you gotta like open it up a little bit. So this is what one looks like. I love just how natural the dread looks, but this is how it comes. So you see, you can barely see the loop, so you gotta like get in there and like maneuver it. So there. And I thought because I had to do that with all the strands that it was going to take me a long time, but it only took me about the same time as it did with the Locs. So this was probably like an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, which is not bad at all because I feel like I have a good amount of hair in here. So I think that's really good. Okay, so this is what it looks like down. Yeah, I think this is a great protective style. I love the look. I especially love how lightweight it is, and we'll just see how this holds up, how the curls will hold up. Let me know if y'all have tried this style before, and if you have tried this brand before. I have tried Bobbi Boss's wigs, but I have never tried anything else besides this and the Locs, and I'm absolutely in love. But that's basically it, guys. Let me know if you like this style. Special shout out to divatress.com for teaming up with me for making this video. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next video.